It will look so cute. I don't care.
So, how are you getting it done?
It is gonna have like one braid right here, one braid right here, and this one ball right here.
Okay.
And you go put some little.
This is before?
A 4.
Before you do what?
4 to 9.
What are you about to do? What are we about to do?
Fix my hair. I'm not coming.
All right. Let's see the side. Turn to the side, other side. Let's see it. Ooh, baby, that's cute.
Y'all see it? Y'all can see it. You just gonna dry it out a little bit. And there's long, my mom just did it. Pretty long, huh?
So what are you doing now?
Well, you can wait for the nun to come over.
You got to do it now.
Wait.
You letting it do what?
Dry.
Okay. Ooh.
It's a boy. 2. I'm almost done.
Ooh, baby. Ooh, do it again. Ooh, do it again. Thank you for joining. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Head down, let me see. So, you got to tell us about your hair now. You're what? Done?
Yes, and I have all these clips in my hair. It's gonna look pretty, and it's already pretty. And the Naga just got here. It's cute. And I got all these braids in. And look at these clips. They're so sparkly. And the special clips is don't have clips hair. And can curl your hair up. And look at this. And I like it. So I'm probably gonna stay in for a few weekends and then go come out. Love y'all, bye-bye.